Hi guys, and welcome back on my channel. In this episode I will be fixing the BMW X3 2019. I will start a different way because the car is fixed, and now I am invite you all for the journey with the repair of this car. Guys, what's the plan? I have to load this bad boy up, so as you can see, as always, I am in the same spot. I will go for the loader there and I will load this bad boy up. So see you after that. So the car is loaded, as you can see, guys. Okie dokie, okie dokie, okie dokie. So we are in the spot. Here we go again. So this is the damage. I think it is not so bad, but now I will put the straps on. Time to fix this bad boy up. So guys, car is secured. And I am to my home. I will unload this bad boy up. Unfortunately I cannot record her because I have workers in my yard. They are doing something. I will show you the final result because I don't want to record them, you know. So see ya and meet me in my home. Bye. Ta-da! Oh, I need to wait. Emergency situation, need to wait, but I have 2 hours to drive to dealership and I need to return with this part because the car mechanic wait for this part. Oh shit. It's snowing. Emergency situation. So what's the status? I am going to BMW dealership. I have to order that kind of hoses to radiators from my X3, and I have car in the car mechanic workshop, and this is some kind of bracket for engine mounting, and I have to order this new because the entire subframe had to be changed because it was bent. So if I will be in the car mechanic shop, I will show you the car sneaky peeky pictures because I don't want to, you know, record there unless I will ask them. The entire car is frozen. And I have some parts here. I have to order this. Brackets. Oh, I am in the gas station right now. So guys, I am near the car mechanic workshop, and I will try to show you how the car looks like on the lift. That will be a sneaky peeky recording because they are waiting for the engine mount, and you know, every minute counts. Dobry. Opcji. Jest pan to do. Mogę jeszcze sobie zobaczyć? Może być, no. Zobacz, czy to jest to, ale powinno być. Co, wy jesteście w stanie na kiedy skończyć? No dzisiaj nie wyjechać, no, żeby nie... Si. wyginało, to co, giry nie ściągło?
Kurde, nie, bo tu głównie dziełą zacznie pigment. Tu podjedzie.
I have here the subframe for the car. I am recording this after the exchange, so this is the old piece because I didn't record how I was able to buy it, but as you can see the old one is in the car right now. It is a junk, so I will take it out from the car now. It's heavy piece. Old engine mount bracket. Oh, freaky freak. So I need to clean everything here after they will finish the entire procedure here with workshop. So now I am driving to BMW dealership to pick up the parts. Whew. So, time to pick up the parts. This will be episode about parts for BMW because I want to fix it till Christmas, and now I will unbox a new radiator. So let's find out. So, as you can see, this is the new radiator, and here I have second one because this car have two such a big radiator. So guys, finally they can assemble the car. So now I am driving to the body shop and I will show you the car because I didn't show you the car earlier, and hope I will finish the car till Christmas. Bonnie, Bonnie, hey, Bonnie. So the car is here. This is my new project. Whoa! As you can see, there is no damage on the rails. It was only this part was destroyed and nothing more in this accident. And front bumper, so the suspension, everything is okay. Okay guys, so the first coat of the base is on the bumper. Now I will be applying second coat, so I will show you a quick look how I am doing this, and I have to paint also some kind of trims. They are here and I will be painting them on black. So now I will paint the second coat of base and of course 2 coats of clear. And now I have to kill a mosquito because one mosquito is flying here. Oh my father God. Winter time and here are mosquitoes. What? Oh no. He will stick to the bumper. I am sure he will stick to the bumper. Okay guys, so I have to kill him. Gotcha. Fuck. This is not a paint. Bloody job. This will be bloody job. Blood diamonds, bloody job. Okay, I need to finish it because I need to put something on my finger. I cut myself on the morning. Now it's evening and I was cleaning the gun and I hit with this finger something and Okay guys, so the work continues. So as you can see, I have that kind of plastic cover to paint for X3. Okay guys, it's hard to paint using one hand and the can, so I will paint it, I will put 2 coats and I will show you the final result. So see you after 1 or 2 minutes. Okay guys, so the plastic is for the bumper is painted. Now it have to dry. It looks very nice. It look almost like new. I am very happy. So it have to dry overnight. I am changing the tires. Czekaj, no to sobie zrobię ujęcia. Boni. Co? So guys, I hope you like that kind of movie. I was doing my best to fix this car. The car wasn't damaged so bad. All the airbags was deployed. Now everything looks very nice. As you can see, everything is working. There is no light on the dash. So hope you like that kind of movie, and see you all to the next time. Bye.